Japanese characters. There are 3 kinds of written symbols in Japanese. The first one is Hiragana. The second one is Katakana. And the third one is Kanji. Here's a famous saying from the video game Mother. 人生はゲームよ。休んだり戻ったりも大事よ。It means life is a game. Sometimes it's important to rest and pick up where you left off later. In this sentence, these letters are called Hiragana. These are called Katakana. And they are called Kanji. So like this, Japanese sentences consist of 3 kinds of characters, and all of them have important roles. Let's take a close look at each one. First, Hiragana. There are 46 phonetic characters. Each character corresponds to one sound. They are written in the cursive and flowing style. Second, Katakana. There are 46 phonetic characters, like Hiragana. They are used mainly to write foreign words. And they are written in an angular and straight style. The third, Kanji. They originated in ancient China. They are ideograms depicting ideas and sounds. There are about 2,000 to 3,000 kanji in general use.